Repairing your tools is super easy in Sky Factory 4. All you've got to do is get something like your crook, and you can add sticks to your crook, or if it's really low health you can add a whole wooden plank and it will completely repair your crook. Now you might think, why not just make more? The issue is when it runs out of durability, I believe it doesn't actually break, it just stays in your inventory, and that can fill up your inventory and your chests over time, and it becomes quite a pain. So what I usually do is I will wait until it's very low and I'll repair it with a whole block like so, and that is my crook done. You cannot use sticks with tools such as the wooden axe. You have to actually use a whole block, even sometimes 2 blocks if the durability is that low. This is all you need to do to repair for tools. Obviously, as you get better tools like diamond tools, you're going to need to use diamonds to repair them. Whatever is the actual item you're using to craft the tool is how you're going to craft it. For example, here is wood, so this is wood that's going to be needed. Whereas because the crook is made solely out of sticks, you can use sticks or wood planks. That is my simple tutorial on how to repair your tools on Sky Factory 4.